Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've just had a bit of retail therapy. It's the end of January and I just wanted to cheer myself up and get some new stuff for my wardrobe. So I've done a big new season haul on Asos and I'm going to show you everything I've got. So I don't know about you, but I buy 90% of my wardrobe from Asos. It's just so easy because it has so many brands and I pay for that like £10 a year free next day delivery thing. So that's just ideal. I can get it literally the next day. And I got £150 worth of vouchers for Christmas. So I've gone and spent them and bought loads of new stuff. I really wanted some bits that were going to be great for work, but I could also wear out if I'm going out with my friends in the evening or going for dinner somewhere. And then I'm going to Japan in May, so I also wanted some things that could double up for use there. Basically buying things that I'm not just going to wear once, but I'm going to get loads of use out of. So let's show you what I bought.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me.
So to start with, I bought this really beautiful pink blouse. It's kind of sheer, again from Asos. It's from Asos's own brand, and I really like that it's got like the ruffles on the front. Really cute. I loved the colour. Pastels are going to be really in this year and in this season, so I really love this pinky tone, and I think this pinky tone suits me really well. I love long sleeves. I'm always into long sleeves, just because it's warmer. I can wear them more all year round than I can something that's shorter sleeved. How pretty is this? So I'm going to link everything I show you in the description box below if you want to check anything out in more detail. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Your subscription means the absolute world to me and I so appreciate all of your support. Next I bought this mesh top. It's from Burgundy, but I got it on Asos. It was discounted. I think it was discounted to $9.99. It doesn't say on here what the original price was though. So I'm really into like mesh and like fishnet tops right now. I really love the idea of wearing this. I think there's so many ways to wear it. I can wear a cute little tank or crop underneath. I can wear a cute cami or something over the top. And I also love the idea of putting this onto a cool t-shirt. So then you just see like the sleeves. I think that would be really cool for summer. I'm going to be posting a bunch of pictures of these wearing this as well on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram already, check it out. I'll put a link up in the top hand corner now, so you can follow me on there if you want to. And next, this dress was with the attention of Japan on my mind. So it's this really gorgeous, love the print. It's got like a high, slightly frilled neck, which I'm hoping is going to look nice on and not too overboard Shakespearean. Hopefully that'll look nice. It's got shorter sleeves, but still modest sleeves. A lot of places, if you go to like the temples, you need to keep your shoulders covered and wear something a little bit longer that covers the knee to be more respectful. So I thought this would be perfect for that. I love that it's got the little frill on the sleeve. And then it's like a mini dress. Well, it's not super mini. This is by Fashion Union. And again, I got this on Asos. So next I got myself a new pair of white jeans. They're just really basic white skinny jeans. I actually had some and I lost them a couple of summers ago, which was really annoying, and I've been meaning to buy myself some for ages. So these are My new white jeans, they are Asos own label and they're just like the normal standard white skinny jeans. I love them because they actually have real pockets on the front and the back, and they've got that like stretch that denim should have. So I think they can be really comfortable. And next up, I got this really gorgeous like tea blouse. It looks much more red in the camera right now, but it's more like a burgundy red. It's really beautiful. I love the polka dots. So it's going to come in at the waist, and then it's got long sleeves. This is by a brand called Influence. It's also on Asos. And I just thought this was such a cute shirt. So it zips up the back. How pretty is this? I really love this one. And then next up, I love this blouse. This caught my eye straight away. I really hope it looks as nice on. So it's just got the embroidery in this V shape and then the high neck. I'm hoping again that will look nice and not too like, these sort of shape always really appeal to me, so I'm hoping it's going to look on how it did in my head. And then it's got the embroidery on the sleeve, and then it goes down and like sort of balloons out and then comes back in again. The back has a little popper and it has a slight keyhole opening on the back, which is really hard to see on the camera. There's so much work into this top, like I think the detail is kind of incredible. And again, this is Asos own label. I really love that. I hope that looks as nice on as it is not on, if you know what I mean.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy?
And last but not least, I've got this gorgeous blouse. This is also from Influence on Asos. So it's got the keyhole front and on the back, so you can see through it there. It's got the slightly high neck. Clearly I'm enjoying high necks right now. That's unintentional, but I'll go with it. It's got a really similar print to the dress I just showed. It's a really soft fabric. It's almost like, it's like satiny fabric, but not. It's probably a polyester. But it comes in ruched at the sleeves, again a long sleeve. But I thought, how nice will these tops look in summer and winter? I just think they're so pretty. So I really like those. So I think that was such a good Asos haul. I've got so much stuff. Really pleased with everything I bought, and I'd be keen to hear your opinions of what you thought looked good and what you're not so keen about in the comment box below. Don't forget to hit subscribe, guys. Don't forget to stay tuned for more from me every Sunday. Hopefully see you next week. Bye.